welcome back to my channel. I'm superbly excited. You can see my excitement all in the sky. Anyways, so guys, मैंने ये headphones लगाए हैं. That's why I'm really groovy and I'm really enjoying the music. So doing makeup alone time पे, it's the best feeling. Just enjoying yourself and exploring out things. So guys, today I'm gonna be doing my a festive makeup look that is very easy. And yeah, so I've put on a headband. That is the most important thing because it keeps your hair away. So without blabbering much, let's get on to our makeup. So the first thing that I'm gonna be using is a toner that is from Plum, and I'm gonna be spritzing that all over my face, and you saw the chills, man. So yeah, the next step, I'm gonna be using a facial oil. You can use any that you want to, but the one that I'm gonna be using is from Color Bar, and this is in variant Rose. I'm gonna be generously applying it all over my face and then blending it nicely because I want it to seep into my skin, and with the warmth of my fingers it'll make sure that it just seeps into my skin properly because my skin is really dry at this moment. Please मेरी नौटंकी को excuse करो, enjoy करो. And yeah, बस कर बेटा, बस कर, बस. Chalo, next product, I'm going to be using my moisturizer, and it's going to be a gel based. So yeah, I really like this moisturizer because it really does help to moisten your skin, and it really does hydrate your skin. Plus it is so budget friendly and easily available. I think it's not easily available in the stores, but you can order it online from Amazon because in store तो I guess ज़्यादा मिलता ही नहीं है. So anyways, moving on, for more radiance I'm going to be using this primer from Smashbox. It's not necessary that whatever products I'm using you have to use the same. You can go with a very budget friendly as well. This is on a little expensive side, so you can go one from the Miss Claire or NYX. Then moving on to my chapped lips, I prepped them up with the Laneige lip mask. And then moving on to my concealers, I'm going to be combining two concealers. So these two from one is from LA Girl and the other one is from PAC. So first I'm going to be applying the LA Girl one as that matches my skin, and then taking a light one. So today I'm going to be doing my base completely. I'm going to be applying all the product at once, and then I'm going to be blending them all together. So prepping up my eyelid as well. And then I'm going to be using a contouring product, so it's going to be a cream one. This is from Huda Beauty in the shade Light. My god, this product is so amazing, so beautiful, so lightweight. It's worth every penny that you pay. So yeah, I'm going to be contouring my forehead, my jawline, my cheekbone, my nose, and then I am gonna be also I'm gonna be contouring my eyes. If you see, this step, I really like this step because it just helps to put your face together. And then joker lagne ke liye I did my blush on as well. And then I'm gonna be taking my foundation, dripping it on the back of my hand, taking it on a beauty blender, and then directly going on to blending my face makeup. So recently I've been enjoying makeup like this. I don't know why. It really does help to make your face look a little more light makeup. I mean, it does look that you're not wearing much makeup, though I am wearing a lot of makeup. But then you should try this technique. It is such a beautiful one, and yeah, it really makes your face look really beautiful and flawless. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that and blending it really well. Okay, with all of that makeup, now it's time to set up. So I'm going to be using a translucent powder, and this one is from Huda Beauty. I'm going to be setting up my under eye, my T-zone extremely nicely, and then whatever is left out on my beauty blender, I'm going to be applying that on all over my face and just setting it up. I don't want much of a powder going onto my face because my skin is a little bit dry at this moment, so I don't want to make it even more dry with the translucent powder. So whatever is left out, I'm just going to tap that on my face so that everything settles down. And then moving on to my eye makeup, that is the most, I think, no, I'm going to be contouring now. Yeah, because I did cream contour and I wanted to set it up, so I'm going to be using this from Benefit, and then I'm going to be using the same brush with that comes with the product. And yeah, I'm just gonna be placing that and blending it really well. So going on to the same areas where I had applied the cream contour, yeah, so that it becomes smudge proof. So I really like to contour on the top of my eye as well, because I really feel that it just gets your face so prepped up and then put together, and then I'm gonna be taking the beauty blender and gonna be blending a whole of my face once again. Taking my most favorite blush at this time is Petal Power from MAC. It is so beautiful. It is a mineralized blush. I know the camera is not doing justice for the blush, but it is so beautiful. I absolutely love this blush. So I'm gonna be going a little overboard with the blush, and I like to go with the blush on my nose, basically all over my face. Then moving on to my highlighter, I'm gonna be highlighting my face like anything because it's festive season and it's no one's business to talk about your highlighter. So highlight your face as much as you want and just shine like a disco ball. Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to be taking my eyebrow pencil, and this is from the Benefit Goof Pro in the number 06, one of my most favorite eyebrow products. So I'm not going to be doing much, but I'm just going to be filling up the gaps, the sparse areas, and then just blending it with the other side of the pencil, and making sure that there are no stark lines and it looks all blended. So you can see the difference between the eyebrow that I blended with the spoolie and the other one which I did. So let's start off with our eye makeup now. So I'm going to be taking the same contouring product. It is one of the most easiest eye makeup that you can ever achieve, and it looks that you've put in so much effort but there's nothing. So I'm going to be taking the same bronzer and just applying that on my crease. Next I'm going to be taking a kohl, and this is from Sephora. So make sure that you take a kohl that is blendable and jet black. So basically what I've done is I just applied the liner, the kohl, just touching my the lash line, and then I'm just going to be blending it. It is so easy. I took a pencil brush and blended, and then you can use your fingers as well to blend more. I'm going to be darkening up the line even more, and then blending, and then apply and blend, apply and blend. So you can do it as much dark as you want or light you want. So with the power of editing, I completed the other eye as well. It is so easy, it is so beautiful. And then whatever is left out on the brush, I took that on my lower lash line. I never wanted to darken it up so much. And then I'm going to line up my upper lash line as well. I'm going to be lining my lower lashes as well. So yeah, you would be seeing me doing that. Yeah, actually my mirror is on the other side, so that's why I'm looking over there. Next I'm going to be completing my eyes with two mascaras. I always love combining two mascaras. So one is from Revolution and the other one is from Benefit. Both of these babies are so beautiful. So yeah, first coat is the Benefit one, but before that I'm gonna be curling up my lashes because I'm not gonna be wearing any falsies, but I want my babies to look like falsies. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying these two. a huge difference mascaras can make. Next, for highlighting my inner corners, I'm going to be taking the same highlighter from Becca. I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone, the tip of the nose and bridge of the nose even more. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to be using this vibrant pinky shade from Faces, and yeah, I'm going to be completing up this look with this lipstick and it's a little fusion shade. I really like the formulation of this lipstick because it's so comfortable and lightweight. Next, I'm gonna be finishing up my look with a bindi. Festive season, man, bindi to banta hai na. So yeah, next collarbone, shoulders, whatever is being out, man, let it shine. So I'm just gonna be doing that, and थोड़ा सा और cheekbones पे क्यों नहीं करूँगी, मैं तो करूँगी. Next, I'm gonna be finally setting up my makeup using a fixing spray, and then I'm gonna be blending it with a beauty blender. I'm just gonna tap up a little, बस थोड़ा सा. That's it, and I'm done. So I'm wearing this jewelry. This I had bought from Amazon, and this retails for about 350 or 400. I don't know, maybe there's some discount going on, but I really loved this jewelry. So guys, here is the final finished result. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very happy Diwali and a very safe one. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.